Okay, and looks like somebody's camping out up here. I won't go in and torment, but it definitely is a beautiful place to set up for the summer. Not so much the winter or spring, but the summer is great here. Yeah, well, we won't snoop around here. I'm just giving you a view of what they're seeing, okay? Okay, Coop, let's go this way. Got some people staying here. Actually, I think we can go up through this trail. We'll go up through this trail. We're not going to bother them any, though. We're just coming around. We're just passing through. Come on, let's take the trail. Okay. So we're gonna just go up through here. Yeah, it definitely is the best time of the year. Geez, Coopy, I think we might get stuck here. Here, let's go this way. Come here. Here, bud. You see there? Let's go through here, okay? Reminds me, I gotta put your tick meds on again. Oh, look at all the burdocks. If you people don't know what burdocks are, they super stick to everything. Look. See this? Those are burdocks. And they got fine little points to them. And they are a dog's worst nightmare. Let's hope Coopy didn't get any. Oh, I see some, Coop. There, right on your feet. Right on your footsies. There. Okay.